Welcome again on my channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to install Playstore app on laptop or PC. For that, we first install Playstore. For this, open Chrome browser and click on these Google Apps icon. Scroll down and find Playstore. Click on it and click on three dot on right top corner and move your mouse arrow on cast, save and share and click create shortcut and click create. Play Store is installed in our PC. Right click on it and click on pin to taskbar. Go to desktop. Here you can see Play Store is installed in our PC. Double click on it. For install apps in your laptop, click on apps and search and find your favorite app. You can find your favorite app by this search option or choose one of them. For example, I want to install Instagram in our laptop. So I click on it and click on install. So it will ask you to sign in for the first time. You have to sign in and install your Play Store app in your laptop. So this is how you can install Play Store in your laptop. Like this video and subscribe to channel for more tips. Thanks for watching.